Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you're doing well. In today's video, as you can probably see right here, I have a special Aurora collection to share with you. There are two new beads from Aurora and I'm so excited to have this amazing opportunity at sharing them with you, but also being able to design with them. They look so beautiful. So a huge thank you to Aurora Beads for gifting me these beads to review and style with, as well as this community, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without each and every one of you. So thank you so much. Now, as you can probably see on this little card here, this is the Serenade collection. There are two beads and one of them is a very limited edition. In fact, as I am filming this, it is already sold out and it is available if you want to kind of back order it. They're going to be launching a couple more in August for back order. So I'll have a link down below where you can find out where to back order, but it is a very special bead. And I am not at all surprised that it's sold out because it is so gorgeous. So you're going to see a look at that bead. It's so unique, very special. Aurora did an amazing job on it. And then there is also another bead that is new to this collection as well. So I'm very excited to take a close-up look with you. So if you are ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I'm enjoying this really delicious maple black tea from Omoda Tea. It was inside my subscription box. And actually, I just filmed opening that up. If you want to take a look at that, you can check out my YouTube shorts or head over to my Instagram at Fashion Storyteller to see a look. But I made I think it was the peach green tea from that. Oh no, pear. There was like a pear green tea from there. And oh my gosh, it was so good. And then I said, you know what, I really want to try this maple tea. So I'm having I always have so much tea in a day, but I'm having this delicious black tea and it is so good. And have it in my cute little Chip Beauty and the Beast mug. Totally not on theme for the video, but it just looked really cute. And I was like, you know what, I haven't used this mug in a while, so I'm gonna use it. So anyway, I am rambling. Without further ado, let's head on over in today's video. Virtual cheers, you guys.
The first charm I'm going to share is called the Purple Dream Lily Charm. It is so beautiful. I love the different lily charms in Aurora's collection. I was so excited to see that they came out with a purple one. It is so pretty. And I just love their enamel. It just pops so beautifully. Here is what Aurora has to say about the Purple Dream Lily Charm. Embrace the vibrant beauty of summer with our Purple Dream Lily Charm. This stunning piece features a blooming lily in rich purple hue, symbolizing the lush floral splendor of the season. Crafted from high-quality sterling silver and vibrant purple enamel, this charm is the perfect addition to your charm bracelet, adding a fresh pop of color to your collection. What is also special about this charm is it makes me think of my friend Rita, a charm dreamer, because her favorite color is purple. So I just can't help but smile and think of her when I look at this. Here's a quick look at it besides some of the other lily charms that Aurora has done. Now we are going to head over to the most gorgeous bead. And I have to say, I think this is my favorite charm slash bead this summer. That's launched. It is just so unique. It's so gorgeous. The shape is just I've never seen anything like it. And it's just so spectacular. Here is a look at this gorgeous sold out limited edition bead. It is called the Summer Serenade Pond. This is what Aurora has to say about it. This enchanting charm features a serene light blue glass pond adorned with delicate sterling silver elements, a frog, lotus flowers, a dragonfly, and a fish, creating a picturesque summer scene. With only 99 pieces available worldwide, Dreams of a Sunlit Pond is a true collector's item, perfect for nature lovers and charm collectors alike. As soon as I saw this, it just took me back to my last summer, so summer 2023, with my little dog Alice. We traveled a lot, and one of the places we went to was over on the island, Victoria Island. We spent quite a bit of time there. We went to a lot of different gardens, and they had little ponds, and they had a lot of the sweet little animals and creatures here, and plants and all of that are featured on here. And I felt so in love. I love that it's an actual pond shape. It's such a unique Murano glass shape too, how they've done it. It says Aurora on the back, which you could probably see. And it just really catches the light. You can see through it. So it's kind of this clear blue water. And as soon as I saw it, I keep looking at it and it just takes me to that time with Alice, my little dog Alice, and just having so much fun in the nice hot summer weather and just that serenity and that peacefulness of being outdoors. in nature, the sun shining, everything just feels so enchanting and magical, and oh, it's just wonderful. I also went to some wineries when I was there, so honestly, it just takes me back. Now we're gonna head on over into the bracelet design that I did. I did something very simple. I just wanted to go for something fun and summery. So here's a look at the bracelet on. I love it. I'm also wanting to do some other designs with this bead as well. It is just such a statement piece. It is beautiful and I love it. Like the colors are just so fun for summer. There's so much you can do with them. You could wear it with like a white dress. You could do it with like all black if you wanted, pinks, blues, like there's just so much variety with it. It's just so pretty. How would you style with it? Let me know down below.
And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed looking at the 2 new charms from Aurora Charm, the beautiful Summer Serenade Pond bead charm. It is just stunning. It is so gorgeous, and I am already envisioning wearing it on some of my summer travels in August to the beach with a white dress. Like, there's just so many ways I can style and wear it. I'm also contemplating doing some type of a necklace design with it. It is just such a striking bead. It is so unique and different. I have not seen anything like it. So very excited to wear it. And I'm hoping if any of you are interested in getting it, that you are able to get it. It sold out so fast. It was limited edition. So it's amazing that Aurora Charm is doing a back order option. So if you do want to find out more information, just check out my description where I'll have links on where you can find out like where to back order and all of that good stuff. But anyway, let me know your thoughts. What do you think of the 2 new charms from the collection? Let me know down below. And I'm wishing you all a magical, wonderful rest of your day, a wonderful summer if it's summer where you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, you guys. Take care.